Depp v. Heard review. As docuseries give voice to the already loud influencers, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard become test subjects for content creators. Depp v. Heard review. Plot synopsis. After deciding to divorce in 2016, Hollywood actor Johnny Depp engaged in a series of court disputes with his ex-wife Amber Heard. In their most recent legal dispute, Depp prevailed. The documentary series discusses the tension in the courtroom, the cultural movement that a disagreement between a husband and wife created, and the aftereffects that neither of the two persons directly engaged benefited from outside of the court hearing. Review of Depp v. Heard. Analysis. Even though I was watching Depp v. Heard from India, I already knew practically everything there was to know about this case and the publicly broadcast trials. As a result, the makers chose to show around the main conflict rather than letting the audience guess what would happen. Because if you watch the trials as they were happening, you already know about Kate Moss' major twist and how the stairs will be mentioned. Amber will charge Johnny with sexual assault with a glass bottle and other things. So what specifically do Emma Cooper and a group of talented individuals have to offer that is novel? It is not overstated to say that Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard and the concluding defamation suit became a societal movement. As the series depicts, more than the two people fighting one another directly, it was the fans who were at war. While the show succeeds in getting it right, it never goes any further into the fan culture that was supporting not a movie but a man who had been proven to be a wife beater, and a woman who had made some outrageous accusations. The show instead opts to dig into the world of content producers and influencers who made millions of dollars simply by reporting on and discussing this issue. There is nothing wrong with bringing them up and demonstrating the impact Depp v. Heard had on the community. However, the show eventually stopped having its own voice and began stealing it from the aforementioned content producers. Just like in the real world, it was they who were in control of the story. Giving voice to those who are already vocal is equivalent to this. It's a documentary series that claims to be objective and educational. However, this one just comes out as a collection of viewpoints with no real organization or purpose other than to chat.